I could hear you loading your gun, making sure it was ready. The light tap dancing of the chambers turning came closer to my bedroom door. You come into my room and kiss me. The wet thoughts upon my forehead glisten in the moonlight, and the breeze makes them tingle. Standing over me, you whisper soft words that fill my ears and leave their echoes in my head, causing a headache I'm too afraid to reveal. As you exit, you stop at the door, you flip the switch, and darkness falls. Yet another weight that stifles my breath. I drift off into places you cannot exist, 'cause I won't let you. Television murmurs fill the house, and the black and white flash of midnight shows light your room. And you simply lay there, on top of sheets, hand in boxers, feeling the trigger, wanting to shoot.